So this is the ingredients, right? Goji berry or 杞子, red dates, and dangshen.
So we start by removing the seeds from the red dates. And for each red date, because this is quite huge, so we cut each red dates into 4 pieces, right? And we actually will throw away the seeds that are removed in this process. And later on for the dangshen, right, we'll cut into about 1 cm each because we are only going to boil it for a short time. So you're going to cut it into a very small diagonal for more visual impact, and so that the taste will come out better and faster. So we start off by rinsing the ingredients. Oops. So start off with goji berry, right? Rinse it a few times, and the red dates, right? And the dangshen, of course. Now this is to get rid of the dirt, right? And all the dust, right? That came during processing, right? When they collect from all these are, of course, herbs that collecting from the ground, so they will have dust and dirt. And of course, then we pour the water. This is just normal tap water, and then we add just the ingredients in to the pot.
So we cover the pot, right? And now we put it on high fire to boil. Okay, can you hear that? My pot actually cracks clean, so it keeps it beside. So now it's boiling, right? Yes, now it's boiling nicely, right? And you can see, right? Yeah. So now from this high fire, we turn to a low fire like that. Okay? And just let it boil. So now, counting down from now, it's boiled for 1 hour. So this is 30 minutes later. So this is how it looks like this. Let me see again. Okay. So now it's already 1 hour. So we're going to off the fire. Now. And you can see the bowl here, right? So we just going to scoop out. That's what we're going to do. I just want to show you, right, how big this dangshen is. See, it's almost as big as my nose. Okay. I just want to show you, right, how everything has. See, the good quality ones, it really expanded until this size. You can see it's so much bigger now from before it's boiled, right? So this is as pure as it gets, no makeup, right? And 41 plus, pregnant. So this is really, really good. You should really try it for yourself at home. Just make sure you get all the good quality ingredients, right? I will post more in the future about how you choose the good ingredients. So in any case, I hope you enjoy this, right? And make it and comment how you like it. Thank you.